Hi, in this video we are going to show how we can open, how we can launch PowerPoint application, how we can save it, and how we can close it. So to open to launch a PowerPoint application, there is a lot of ways. I will show you very simple one. Just click on the start button, and once you click on that, you will be able to see a lot of application which is already recently you have used. So if you are able to see the PowerPoint application, you can simply click on that, it will be open. But in the case your PowerPoint it is not available here, you have to click on the all apps and scroll little down. So here you can find out the PowerPoint. Even though PowerPoint, if you don't want to scroll, and just even you have option to the search, just click on the PowerPoint, and you will be able to open it. Once you click on that, this window will be open, which is opening window, where you will be having option for the blank presentation, like blank templates is there, and some of the Microsoft already created some templates will be available for the use. We can quickly use that. And then another window is for new, when it is same way whatever we have here as a new window, right? It will be there. Home tab, new tab, and open tab. So in home tab, what are the option in new tabs, right? It will be merged here, and also we will be having some recent open files. So if you click on the open, you can see that recent ping file here as well. So new is just basically if you want to use some template, we can use it, or if you want to go with the blank presentation, we can click on the blank presentation. This is the how we can open this is the way we can launch PowerPoint application. So I will click on the presentation, blank presentation, and if you see, I'm able PowerPoint the PowerPoint application is launched, and we have on our screen we have blank presentation open. Now I will show you how we can enter some data into that. So as of now, you can see the click here to add titles. So we can type it anything. Hello, I'll type that this is my first slide. So that's all I wanted to enter. Okay, so if anything else you want, you can edit it, but just for our demo purpose, I have created one blank template, and now I have to hit save. So when I click on the save, it will ask where you want to save it. So I will click on this PC, and I probably, just for our easy to understand this one, I am selecting the desktop, and I'll put the name. As of now, by default it is coming hello. I will show you how this word hello came, from where it has taken. But however, I'll put as of now my first PPT. Okay, and it will ask for the type, save as type. As of now, I will leave as a PowerPoint presentation, and click on the save. So as soon as I save, you can see the name of the PowerPoint, it changed to my first PPT, and this is how we can save it. If we go to the desktop, we can see there will be my first PPT the one document, PPT document has been created. So let me open again my PPT. I have not closed it. Now how we can close the last one, how we can close it? If I have done some changes, I have done with my presentation, now I want to close it. So just click on the save. Since already I have saved it, right, the file is already saved. So straightforward, I can go on here, we have close button, or else in file we have one close button available here. So we can click this one, and both the way it will be working. So I'll just close it, and this is how we can launch our PowerPoint application, and we can edit some data, and this we can close it. So that's all for this video. In next video, we will be learning something on the how we can insert the slide, how we can change the background of the slide. All those things we will see in the detail. Thank you so much for watching.